I'm excited that we're developing a national charging infrastructure strategy to be released this fall, which will guide the construction and development of EV chargers from coast to coast to coast. Working with provinces, territories, industry, utilities, and partners, the strategy will focus on attracting more private capital, making building EVs ready, creating and supporting a skilled workforce, facilitating grid integration, and educating the public on EVs. Simultaneously, we are actively growing our national EV charging network with a $1.5 billion investment from the Canada Infrastructure Bank in new charging and hydrogen refueling infrastructure. I want to be clear, we are building from a position of strength. Since its launch, Natural Resources Canada's zero-emission vehicle infrastructure program has delivered real results, transforming Canada's charging landscape by supporting more than 30,000 public and private chargers that are open for use. Today, we are building on that success, announcing new investments under 3 Natural Resources Canada programs, all fully aligned with the Prime Minister's automotive strategy. Through the Zero Emission Vehicle Infrastructure Program, we are investing more than $84 million in 122 projects across this country that will install more than 8,000 new charging stations for electric vehicles from coast to coast to coast.
I spent a lot of time talking with workers, industry leaders, and communities across the country. And what I hear again and again is this. People want pragmatic solutions that protect the environment, grow our economy, and support good, clean future jobs that support their communities. It's also about how we grow the economy. We know that the future is electric. 1 in 4 vehicles sold globally, new vehicles sold globally this year will be EVs. EV choices are expanding rapidly from cars to SUVs to pickup trucks, giving Canadians options to fit their lifestyles. And with plug-in hybrid EVs offering electric driving ranges plus gas backup, Canadians everywhere can make the switch with confidence and savings.